The average person spends 3.5 years doing housework, like folding laundry. Can you imagine that? 3.5 years just doing these types of monotonous tasks. Imagine if you could get, I'm not even very good at it. Imagine if you could get that time back. You could be reading or traveling or finally finishing the Elden Ring. So when I saw a laundry folding robot at the Humanoid Summit, well, that caught my attention. So I stopped and I talked to one of their founders. So let's hear what they had to say.
Hi, I'm Evan, one of the co-founders of Weave Robotics, and we're making general purpose robots for homes and businesses that are actually already working.
So what are we looking at here?
We're looking at Tradle, which is our product that's designed for businesses to be extremely cost efficient and ready to operate on day one. We're actually deploying these already to laundromats across San Francisco, and we're folding clothes, and we're expanding two other laundromats in the Bay Area. We're also in conversations with businesses in the hospitality and the manufacturing sectors to help them there as well.
I think that's the dream for everybody, right? Is to have a robot like this that can fold laundry.
At a minimum, we want to make it optional for people to do laundry, for sure.
So how long until something like this would be deployable for a home, you think?
We're actually testing it in our homes right now, and then we intend to ship to our first customers in 2026.
Oh
And
my God.
customers can also, if they live in San Francisco, work with our DoorDash for laundry partner, Tumble Laundry, to have their clothes picked up from their front door, taken to a laundromat, folded by our robot, and then returned in 4 hours or less.
That is so exciting.
Yeah, we're really pumped.
So I saw your talk this morning, which was really interesting. So what is next for your company?
What's next? We're constantly iterating on our hardware. We actually built these very robots just this week, and they happen to be the best performing ones that we've made in our entire fleet. We're also developing the next generation of our hardware, which will be even more focused on the home. And we also have more deployments that are coming up as well.
So you said you built these just this week. How long did that take?
That takes us under a day at this point with a very repeatable recipe as we continue to get better at the process, even as we also co-evolve and iterate on the form factor too.
That's so exciting.
Thanks.
If someone wants to get in touch with your company, what's the best way to do it?
Yeah. Check out our website, weaverobotics.com. You can also reach us at contact@weaverobots.com. And I'm Evan Wineland. My co-founder is Khan. We're both on Twitter.
Excellent. Thank you so much.
Thank you.
So just imagine all this time that you're going to get back that you've been spending folding laundry. And Weave Robotics, please send Isaac and send Isaac urgently. I have so many socks to fold. And eventually, their robot is going to be able to pick things up off the floor, or I guess in this case, off the microphone. Well, that's all I have for you today.